Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can unrestrict someone on Facebook. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to unrestrict someone on Facebook, you need to open your messenger. And once you open your messenger, you want to click on the three line at the top left corner of your messenger, which is also going to be known as the hamburger menu icon. And then at the top you can see the setting icon. You want to click on the setting icon and it's going to bring you to the setting page of your messenger. Now once you're in the setting page of your messenger, you can see this option called privacy and safety, which is going to be your fourth option if you don't see it. Click on privacy and safety. And once you're in privacy and safety, the option where it says restricted account, you want to click on it. It's going to take you inside the restricted account section, alright? So click on restricted accounts and all the accounts you have restricted until now is going to be shown over here. Now if you want to unrestrict someone, simply click on their name first. So let's say I want to unrestrict Sarah Khan. I can click on her and at the bottom it's showing me the unrestrict button. I can click on unrestrict and she has been unrestricted just like this. It's that simple to unrestrict someone on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time in my future video.